learn new chords and new ways to produce music. Students learn how to communicate in a band, how to play together as a unit instead of playing individually. They learn to listen to other people and to listen to other instruments so they can play a good sound.